How to make money. Money making requires you to do certain things in certain ways for you to be guaranteed on being able to succeed at making money. If you get those things right, then you can make more money than you and your family can spend. But if you get it wrong, you will keep failing until you get it right. And that is why different people who start businesses on the same day can never have their breakthroughs on the same day. I will give you top 5 best ways you can make money that you don't hear every day. Number 1, become a learner. The truth be told, if you can learn, you can earn. And if you cannot learn, you cannot earn. There is a popular saying that the more you learn, the more you earn. This is very true, 100%. Because the things you learn, the skills you develop, are all the products of a serious dedicated learning over a certain period of time. Another way to make money is by giving. Give more to others. Money is a very interesting thing, and it's very difficult for most people to understand exactly how money works. The way most people actually think money works is wrong, and that is what keeps them back. If you hold tight to money, money will run away from you. But if you give it away, it will keep coming to you. This is the most important rule of money making that gets most people confused. It's simple. Make it very easy for yourself to give away money to help others, and money will be attracted to you. If you get this part wrong, you will keep failing until you get it right. The third way to make money is by learning how to sell. If you do not know how to sell anything ranging from selling yourself to your products and services, then you are seriously going to be having a hard time attracting money. Even the wealthiest men and women in the world today, they all know how to sell. Life is so much about selling than you can ever imagine in your life. Selling is everything. If you do not know how to sell, it will be a very wise decision to go and learn the skill. The fourth way to make money is by monetizing your knowledge. The first point I gave you about how to make money is learning, as in being able to learn. The effect of learning is knowledge. So when you learn, you will get knowledge. It's now your choice to use that knowledge to make money or to keep it on hibernation until it completely and gradually dies out. Knowledge can make you more money than you can spend in your entire life, only if you know how to monetize it. In today's world, that can be a piece of cake for you, as there are several sources of information where you can learn how to monetize your knowledge. So, if you have understood the first, second, third, and the fourth way to make money, and you have started really putting them into practice, you may not need the fifth one. The fifth way to make money is to get a job. When you get a job, you will make money from an employer of labor, your boss. Most people in the world today prefer this way of making money because it seems easy and straightforward. But if you know how to monetize your knowledge, how to sell, you become a learner, getting a job might seem like settling for the less. This is very true anywhere you go in the world. And it is what I call the business mindset, or you can call it the entrepreneurial mindset. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share our videos to your friends and family. Thank you and one love.